Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download time tracking reports from Clockify for career promotion. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Clockify account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Reports tab on the left sidebar. In the Reports section, you will see various filters and options to customize your report. Select the type of report you want to generate. Options include summary, detailed, and weekly. After selecting the type, customize the date range for which you want to download the report. You can choose a specific project, team member, or tag to filter the report further. Once you have configured your filters, click on the Apply button to generate the report. The report will now display on your screen, showing all relevant data based on your selections. Look for the export icon, usually represented by a download arrow or button. Click the export icon to see your download options, which typically include formats like PDF, CSV, and Excel. Select your preferred format for the report. After making your selection, click on the Download button. The file will start downloading onto your computer or device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to review the time tracking report you just downloaded. Now, you can utilize this report to support your case for career promotion. Make sure to save or print the report for your records. This process allows you to efficiently track your time management and productivity. By leveraging these reports, you can showcase your accomplishments during performance reviews. Now you are ready to present your time tracking data confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.